Hi everyone, my name is Tarek and I'm the Student Success Specialist here at JPW Academy. Jacob's asked me to speak with Thomas today regarding what they recently achieved in terms of maths. So Thomas, would you be able to just explain to me where you were at in terms of your performance in school before you joined the course and kind of after you joined?
So before I was kind of around the start of year 11, it was probably around grade five, grade six,
Yeah.
roughly around that.
Were you struggling with any kind of problems in particular? Anything you found really difficult?
It was kind of more the fact like reading the question and actually understanding what maths to do.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's great. So when you did join the course, kind of what difference did you see in your grade?
So now in my most recent mock, which I did, I got a grade eight.
Yeah. Okay. So there
And
was
then
a
my,
what do you say, around a 5 to 6, turn 8?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, no, that's great. So what in particular allowed you to kind of achieve this through the program? What did you find specifically that helped you?
I think the homework was really helpful. The video feedback which you got specifically on what you got wrong in that week's homeworks really helped.
Yeah, no, of course. Was there anything precisely to do with the lessons or the context or the way things were taught that helped you to, do better overall in the homeworks and translate to your actual grade?
Yeah, the actual teaching was really good as well. The tutor was really good in explaining and making it really clear how to do the type of questions which you're being asked.
Yeah, no, that's really good. In terms of the classes, of course, they were, group classes. How did you find being part of this group?
Yeah, it was good. There was lots of like contributions and people able to ask the tutor actual questions and being able to see other people's answers and explaining how they got it. And so yeah, that was really helpful as well.
Did you find it as though you had enough support and your questions were being answered within the sessions too?
Yeah, definitely. Especially the Q&A in the lessons where you can actually ask a specific question and
Yeah,
then yeah, get answers.
no, that's great to hear. Um, so in terms of the homework feedback, like you said, what did help you the most when people are providing you feedback?
Um, Probably just the fact that it was specifically on them going through what you got wrong and explaining it again, how to get the answer was just like kind of reinforcing how to do the maths for them.
Yeah, that's so. Would you say that the discipline of doing these weekly homework tasks helped you to maintain a better study kind of habit and allow you to revise more effectively?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great to hear. Of course, the program's quite a commitment. You're committing to a couple lessons a week, and then the homework and things like that. How did you manage that?
Yeah, it was fine. It was yeah, it makes it much easier to revise if you actually have it set in your week when you're going to be doing what. And with the actual lesson, it makes it much easier to actually revise.
So you found that kind of structured routine quite useful to allow you to revise more effectively.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
So what kind of made you get attend group-based tuition like this with the one-to-one feedback as opposed to just getting, a one-to-one tutor or something along those lines?
Mainly the price. It was much better cost like effectively to do it in a
Yeah.
group, but it kind of this tutoring which you're getting seemed to be exactly the same as it would have been one on one, if that makes sense. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds.
Yeah, you got to combine the group base and the one-to-one together to, get an
Yeah.
effective solution. No, that's really, really good to hear. Um, so now in terms of, you increasing your grade and achieving what you wanted to in maths, has that translated to your confidence in any other subject or anything like that?
Yeah, yeah, the English is also really improved. Yeah, the English is like the English tutoring as well has also been really helpful.
No, yeah, that's great. So overall, because you've kind of made a progress in both, would you say it's led you to be more confident about all your other exams and things of that
Yeah,
nature? Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
that's great. Have your teachers noticed any type of difference? Have they commented on your performance or anything like that?
Yeah, my maths teacher has commented on like improvements and saying that's like it's a lot better from when it was at the start of the year.
Yeah, that's really good. So now that you have kind of reached this grade that you ideally wanted to achieve, how do you feel about everything?
Yeah, really good. It's really nice feeling to be able to see your improvement from the start of the year, and with GCSEs just around the corner, being confident in the grade which you'll get to.
Yeah, no, that's really great to hear. Other than that, Thomas, would you have anything to say to any prospective students, any students that might be questioning why to join the course or anything like that?
I would just say that the tutoring is as good, if not better, than one-to-one tutoring, and it's realistically for a better price than it would be one-on-one. So I definitely recommend it.
Yeah, that's really great. I'm sure that'll help a lot of people. So it's been fantastic to speak to you today, Thomas, and you should be very proud of what you've achieved. And if you're watching this, I hope it's given you a taste of what you could potentially achieve too. Other than that, Thomas, thank you very much for your time today. It's been much
Thank
appreciated.
you.
And
Thank you.
wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.